Hey everybody, it's Garrett, and I wanted to briefly talk about the history of the Fisher Space Pen. I first, however, wanted to share this one right here. This one was released in 1948, or these types of pens were released in 1948 by Fisher. And one of the cool things about this one is that it isn't just a short pen, it's also one where the cap just goes right here. So it's the normal length of a regular pen, but it's compact and it's a good like travel pen. It is long term. It can write in a lot of different, you know, soluble materials and whatnot. I believe you can write in water with it. You can write it in upside down. It's a pen where the ink is actually made of like this elastic ink and it's pushed via pressurized like nitrogen, like very small amounts of pressurized nitrogen here. Um, I'm gonna write on here. This is how it writes. I'm also gonna put a smiley face just to make sure we all get that. Here you go. This is how it writes. So it still works like your practical ordinary pen, just comes with a few different features on it that works really well. I wanted to talk specifically though about the AG7. This was the pen that was released or patented in 1965 by Fisher Corporation. It was Paul Fisher who had invested about $1 million worth of, I guess, research into understanding how to make a good pen for NASA, who at the time were using graphite pencils to write out in space, but pencils can be very flammable. The wood can be very flammable. This is a hazard thing. See, in space, we always need to keep in mind all the little things. It's not just going to space that's the whole Herculean task, it's also the little things surrounding that venture forth into space, including your writing instruments and the technologies that you use. They need to be non flammable, they need to be um, solvent, strong, and long lasting too, especially for longer voyages such as going to Mars or going to the moon. And so these pens, or the AG7 pen, and probably even this one as well, they're built to have a shelf life of about 100 years. And they work well. The reason why they're able to write in all sorts of different environments is because they have a airtight sealing, a hermetic sealing, if you will. And they use, and I got some little notes over here, they use a thixotropic viscoelastic ink. I have absolutely no idea what any of those words mean. Well, I mean, I know what they mean, obviously. I just, specifically, they're all together. And so, presumably, the ink is very strong, and it's long lasting enough to be used in even highly, zero gravity or highly pressurized environments. I think, yeah, these pens can even be used right underwater. Mm-hmm. So they also have a long term use. A lot of these pens can write for up to about 20 to 30 miles. Um, yeah, the ink lasts that long. It can go, it can go years. Most pens are built to write or last about like most with the standard pressurized ink cartridges. They're used to write about 2 to 3 miles. I've seen some pens that write for up to 7 miles. These ones can probably go for about 20 to 30. These things last for a very long time. I don't know if it's this one specifically, it might just be the AG7, but we'll see. And the pens have a shelf life of about 100 years. So these pens are also built to last for generations. And yeah, that's the history of NASA space pens. The main space pen would be the AG7. That's the one that actually has the clicker on the top. Hopefully by now I've shown a picture of it somewhere in this video. Otherwise, that'll do it on today's video, and I hope you're all doing wonderful. please subscribe, like the video, and if you don't like it, the void will consume you. Maybe that's too dark, I don't know. See ya.